Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Bloxy Cola squishy, easy method. Start by gathering 1 cup clear glue, 1/2 cup water, 1 TSB borax solution, food coloring, and a small cola bottle. Mix glue and water thoroughly, add coloring, then slowly add borax until you get a soft, squishy texture. Knead for 2 minutes and store in an airtight container to keep the squishy soft for repeated play. Warm the bottle and cut a small valve to control filling, then prepare the cola core with a tiny amount of clear slime and brown tint. Fill the bottle, leaving enough air for compressible squish, and add small glitter if desired. Seal the cap securely with hot glue and let the piece rest undisturbed for about 2 hours. Test firmness and tweak with tiny borax or lotion additions if needed before final use. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: check out the product seen here, Books Read Anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's great for tutorials and relaxed reading while your slime sets. I include a link and other deals in the description, so check there for details. Thanks for the support and snacks for creativity. Now let's get back to the video. Keep safety first by using non-toxic ingredients and avoiding loose borax powders near children, then always wash hands after play. For longer life, store the squishy in an airtight container in a cool, dark place and wipe seams to prevent leaks. Experiment with 1/4 glycerin or a few drops of baby oil to alter stretch and shine. If it gets stiff, add tiny water amounts and knead until the texture improves, then enjoy gently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.